Hello everyone, this is M. Milton Joe. In this video, we are going to discuss about UGC CARE Journal Removed List April 2021. You know very well that UGC CARE list is revised 4 times in a year. The recent update was made in 1st April 2021. So what are the update or what are the changes have been made in the UGC CARE list April 2021? So this is the thing that we are going to see in this video. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe it and click the bell symbol so that you will get the latest updates. Now let us get into the topic. Now let us log into UGC CARE list website. So in Google Chrome, just go to UGC CARE list website. So click login and enter your username and password and login. So once you have successfully logged in, just to see here, you can click UGC CARE list and here you can find search UGC CARE list. Just click it. So you know very well about UGC CARE list consists of two groups, that is UGC CARE list group 1 and UGC CARE list group 2. So in UGC CARE list group 2, no update have been made in the April 2021 revision. So Web of Science. Under Web of Science, these are the three categories. The journals which are indexed in this category will fall under UGC CARE list group 2. Similarly, the journals which are actively indexed by Scopus will come under UGC CARE list group 2. And list of journals selected from MLA database. The journal list is given here. If you click it, you can find it. Will come under UGC CARE list. This note is very important. Just go through it. The journals which are discontinued, inactive from the above databases will not find a place in UGC CARE list group 2, which means if you are taking a Scopus journal, the journal should be actively indexed in Scopus list. Only then it will come under UGC CARE list. The journals which are removed or discontinued or inactive in the Scopus list will not find a place in UGC CARE list. The same is applicable for Web of Science, that is these three databases. Similarly from MLA database. So there were no update in UGC CARE list group 2 as on April 2021. So here you can find UGC CARE list group 1. The journals which are apart from UGC CARE list, that is apart from Web of Science and Scopus and MLA, few journals which qualified the UGC CARE list protocol are selected and added into the UGC CARE list group 1. So few updates have been made in UGC CARE list group 1. We are going to see one by one. So here you can find the journal categories. If you click the applicable or corresponding category, you can find the list of journals. Now just we are going to see what are the updates have been made in UGC CARE list as on April 2021. So here you can find search. Just click it. Here you can find group 1 and group 2. Just click group 1. So here you can find recently added journals and recently discontinued journals. So just click recently discontinued journals. So here you can find total journal list of 13. So 13 journals have been removed from UGC CARE list as on 1st April 2021. So here you can find just 10 journals I am listing over here. So just to go through the journal name and publisher and ISN number, and here you can find discontinued from April 2021. All these 13 journals are removed or discontinued from UGC CARE list group 1 as on 1st April 2021. So here just to scroll down, just to click to the next page, that second page. Here you can find another 13 journals. So totally 13 journals were discontinued or removed from UGC CARE list group 1 as on 1st April 2021. So again click search group 1. So here you can find recently added journals. Just to click it. So just to scroll down. So here you can find totally 32 entries. So these 32 journals were added into the UGC CARE list group 1 as on 1st January 2021. So just note it down. All these 32 journals were added into the UGC CARE list group 1 as on 1st January 2021. In April 2021 update, that is as on 1st of April 2021, no journals were added newly into the UGC CARE list group 1. So all these 32 journals were added in the UGC CARE list group 1 as on 1st January 2021. So overall, the update which is made in UGC CARE list as on 1st April 2021 is journal discontinued or journal removed. That is 13 journals have been removed from the UGC CARE list group 1 as on 1st April 2021. I hope the information which provided over here is useful to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and share the video with your friends and colleagues. Very soon I will meet you in another video with another concept. Thank you very much for watching.